Hello, Mr. Wilson here again. This is the second video in the revision series around the income statement. So I just want to take through the important parts of the income statement, and then you can do the Kahoot questions. So the purpose of the income statement is to find this figure right down the bottom here, which is your profit figure. So the profit basically is equal to your income minus your expenses. So we don't want to see anything else in there like assets or liabilities. So only income and expenses. So to start with, we're going to look at a trading account. So a trading account is one where people buy and sell. We've got Geordie's laptops here. We've got our sales at the start minus sales returns give us our net sales. Note which column we've put the figures in. Then less cost of goods sold. Talked about that in the last session. So inventory plus purchases. Note there's a little calculation here with purchase return to give us our net purchases. Less inventory at the end. Gives us basically our cost of goods sold, and we take that away from the sales, gives us our gross profit, important figure. The first section, finding your gross profit. Second section is adding your other income. Here we've got three: dividends, interest, and rent. So we add those to this figure and gives us, we don't have a total for this or a heading, it's just basically our net income. And then we're going to subtract our expenses. So distribution costs, we talked about that last time. Administrative and financial costs, with the total going into the last column. And we've got the net income minus our total expenses gives us our profit for the year. Moving across, this one here is for a trading business. So a trading business is slightly different. We don't have the cost of goods sold, but everything else is almost the same. We've got revenue plus other income, gives us our net income again. The only difference is that instead of distribution cost, it's going to be related to the business. So this business, Geordie's mobile laptop repairs, have got repair expenses. Again, that's variable like distribution costs. And again, minus all our expenses gives our profit for the year. Notice that it's a mobile laptop. So the vehicle expenses in this case come part of the repair rather than the admin. Great, enjoy the Kahoot. Ka kite anō.